Now, what we got here, guys, is an epic fail. As I scroll out onto this wrench set, it looks like a pretty nifty set. See here, 5.5 to 32 open end, right? Brilliant chrome finish. Inexpensive, featureless wrench set. A known brand, SATA, which is same manufacturer as Gear Wrench. Even the markings look remarkably similar. The little guy's not too bad. What I didn't pay attention to when I bought this set is there's no 18, there's no 16, there's no 15, there's no 13. Who the hell buys a metric wrench set without a 13 millimeter? That's all.